In this guide, I'm going to show you how you can restore messages here on WhatsApp. Before we do dive in this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help with the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point you do have any questions on WhatsApp or throughout this entire guide, just ask us down in the comment section below. I'm going to be doing my best to respond to every single comment so I can help you out further down there. And keep in mind, this guide is specifically for an iPhone, but the steps are pretty much the exact same if you're on an Android, so you'll be able to follow the guide pretty much the exact same. Well, let's say, for example, that you deleted a message or a chat and you now want it back. Obviously, for this to work, you're going to need to have a backup that did include that chat before it was deleted. And keep in mind, anything sent after that backup is going to be lost. But begin by actually exiting out of WhatsApp and then tap and hold on the WhatsApp icon to bring up a page that looks like this. Go ahead and select Remove App. From here, open up the App Store just like so and type in WhatsApp in this little search icon. Enter it in, and what you're going to want to do is actually re-download the WhatsApp Messenger. And once you do open it up, it's going to actually immediately begin that setup process. When prompted, you'll see the option to restore chat history. Go ahead and select restore, and WhatsApp is going to load your backup, and your deleted conversation is going to reappear. But that's it. It really is as easy as that. You've successfully now restored deleted messages here on WhatsApp using your backup. If you did have any questions, ask them down in the comment section below. Before you do leave this video, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help with the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. Have a great rest of your day. Peace.